You guys may remember a few months ago, the good people over at TireJect sent me a gallon of their product. Now, I put this in one of the front tires on my New Holland. I put this in one of the front tires on our John Deere 6410. It worked like a champ. We have not had any more leaks out of either of those tires. The New Holland is no longer here, but as far as I know, it's fine. The John Deere is here. It's getting brand new steer tires here real soon. We're going to use a bead buster again. But those old dry rotted cracked tires are holding air. Now, why are we talking about this today? Well, we're talking about this right now because Brandon just called me. Brandon and I work together on the haying part of this operation. And he has been out spraying today in our who knows how old spray coupe, which is well, you'll see it in a minute. It's a self-propelled sprayer. It's got a VW Bug 4-cylinder air-cooled engine. And it is riding on 3 very dry rotted, really kind of crappy, worn out tires, and he has had a flat. Now, he's only got about 9 acres left to spray where he is. We really want to get this job done tonight. So we are grabbing the TireJect and the air compressor, and we're going to head over there, and hopefully, I haven't seen this tire, but I remember it's really bad. So hopefully TireJect is able to seal this thing up enough we can keep working and get done, but we'll find out. Yeah, she's a little flat. Where's the valve stem?
On the other side.
That core remover should be laying right there. Yeah, that tire has definitely seen way better days, but we just need it to last. It just needs to last a little bit longer.
And the tank's already filled, it's ready.
I'll be darned, it's actually working.
Is that the little screwdriver?
Yeah. They call for like 8 ounces, I think. Most things on here call for 8 ounces. But because this is totally jacked, we're going to put in, well, this only holds 5 ounces, so we're just going to put in 2 full ones of these. Yeah, one of those. There.
I need to start that air compressor.
Yep. You jump in it and start it up. I'll keep airing because that's going to need to circulate.
You want me to go spray it in?
Start it up. Clear.
Just go to the end of the road.
You are?
Well, you want me to spray or not?
Yeah, go start spraying. I'll follow you just in case.
Can you grab Mason?
Yeah. I don't know if you guys saw that, but it was actually spitting TireJect out the dry rot crack in the side of that tire, and I could hear it hissing, and then it stopped. So we're gonna find out if TireJect's gonna do this or not.
it works on little boys' bicycle tires.
Well, you can see, I mean, we had, when you were driving off, it was spitting sealant out of this crack somewhere. It's rubbed off, but yeah, it sealed a huge freaking gap in that tire. And I mean, this crack here, I mean, that's...
Push on the tire, how much is it still fairly, it's solid.
Yeah, it's still, I mean, it's not full, but it hasn't leaked since we put air in it. Yeah, that is a massive separation there. Oh, it's right here. I can see where the TireJect was coming out. It's bulged and it's cracked.
Well, let's get it home.
TireJect is really good stuff.
For what is that? That's got to be a 10-year-old tire.
Oh, at least.
12-year-old tire. The orange cord.
Okay. Keep coming. Keep coming. Oh, too far. Pull up like 2 inches. Good. Now that's an outfit you don't see going down the road every day. TireJect worked great. Big thanks to those guys for sending that over.
Funny.
This is going to wrap this one up. Thanks for watching, and more later. Stuck enough.